surprise attack with one of the most important people in the convention planning. Hey, Monica. A little bird has told me, it might have been myself, that the expo is going to be a little bit different this year.
Well, what can I say? I think it's going to be homey. You're going to be able to have some really hands-on experience with the products in its natural habitat.
I'm sorry, everyone. She needed to answer this quickly. She'll call you back. Ooh, we got to get Josh. Josh. Hi.
Why are you wearing a coat?
Well, it's like a street interview.
But we're in the building.
I need to know all about Farm Day this year.
Okay. Back in the day, before my time, that's where convention ended, was Saturdays on the farm. You've got the lavender fields, you've got the greenhouse where you can get your hands dirty. We got show row where you can see all the different plants that are grown at Mona. Do you want to see where the oil's made? Because that's what you can do at the distillery. Walk through, see the whole process. Awesome food. You can get your Ningxia slushies, your lavender lemonade, go on wagon rides, watch the percherons do what the percherons do. All the animals down there, they've got the camels and the, I don't even know what they're called, but they're really cool.
Baby goats?
I don't know if they'll be baby goats. It's not really like baby goat season. There might be young goats. Young goats. For the closing ceremonies, it's going to be awesome. We're going to have live entertainment. It's going to be a street festival at the farm. It's just lots of fun.
Rita? I would love for you to tell the viewers at home what they can expect in terms of how we've shaken things up.
Convention's exciting, but we want to take it to the next level. Typically, we're sitting down in a chair and absorbing information, but this year we want it to be more hands-on. We have some roundtable sessions where people can talk to each other. Like, I think that's where I learn the most is when I brainstorm with other people.
What can they expect on the virtual platform?
Typically, there's a lot more deep dive on newer products, but we also want you to have the chance to catch up later. If you're like with your teams having fun and just want to be in the moment, then you have that chance to come back and watch more of that deep dive.
Will you be at the parties?
Absolutely.
She's going to dress up. She's got several costumes planned.
I can't wait to see everyone. Please come. Let us know what you're excited about.
I've just discovered the magic corner. I'm so happy to be here with you in this massage chair. You know, all day we've been talking about how convention's going to be different this year, and no exception is the gala. Tell us a little bit about the experience that's going to happen for the gala, because it's going to be a bash.
The gala is going to be something unlike anything we've ever done before, honestly. I don't want to give too much away, but it's going to have some awesome experiences for our newly ranking silvers and above. They're going to have a spotlight like they've never had before, and it's going to be a huge celebration bash. And I personally, after the years I've been with Young Living, this is going to be the convention you don't want to miss.
So much celebrating, clapping, tears of joy, elation, splendor, a little bit of triumph, some atta girl or boy. How did I not know this existed? Yeah, feeling it. Howdy! As we welcome you to convention for our welcome party, can you tell us a little bit about what you've got planned?
Absolutely. So for those of you that were at convention last year, we did the Latino party and we had an amazing time. Energy was high, lights, the bass was kicking, the Ningxia red was flowing. This year, we're doing the same thing, only we're going international. Where I actually threw up a Facebook post.
I saw that.
Asking people to share their favorite music from their regions so that we can kind of tie all that in and really make this international grand convention have that international flair. I hope you're ready to party with us.